Hermes, Casca, hi, is that yummy? Zeus, Juno, it's a little dark in your corner. Okay, is it yummy, Juno? Hermes, as always, will win the race for getting to the bottom of his trachea. Hermes, how much do you got left? Really, not that much, huh? Funny boy.